Welcome. Today we're going to fix something that can get a little annoying: Telegram's auto night mode. If you've ever noticed your screen switching from light to dark on its own, and you'd rather be in control of when that happens, this quick guide is for you. Let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. You can do this from your home screen or your app drawer, depending on your device. Once Telegram is open, wait a second for everything to load so you don't miss any options. Next, look for the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. That's the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it. You'll see a list of different options like New Group, Contacts, Calls, and more. From that list, tap on Settings. This is where you can customize Telegram to work exactly how you want it to. Inside Settings, scroll a bit until you find Chat Settings. Tap that to open a new page full of visual options. Here's where the magic happens. Scroll down until you see Auto Night Mode. This feature automatically changes your Telegram theme to dark mode during certain times of the day or depending on your environment. It's useful if you prefer darker screens at night, but if you'd rather control your theme manually, you can easily turn it off. All you have to do is toggle the Auto Night Mode switch off. Once it's off, Telegram will stop switching between light and dark themes automatically. Your chosen theme will stay the same no matter where you are or what time it is. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Auto Night Mode on Telegram. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in your overall experience, especially if you prefer a consistent look every time you open the app. If this quick guide helped you out, take a moment to share it or help someone else adjust their settings. Thanks for watching.